Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about the Republic Act 9155 presented by the group Wonder Pets.
Education plays a vital role in shaping the future of every learner. In the Philippines, one important law is how our basic education system is managed and improved. This law is Republic Act 9155, also known as the Governance of the Basic Education Act of 2001.
What is RA 9155? RA 9155 was created to strengthen the Philippines education system by improving how to school are government and how to decisions are made. Instead of decision coming only from the national level, the law gives more responsibility to local school and leader, principal, teachers, and even communities.
Key purpose of RA 9155. The main goal of RA 9155 is to make education responsive and relevant to the needs of Filipino learners. It focuses on strengthening accountability, accessibility, efficiency, and quality of basic education.
Under RA 9155, the Department of Education or DepEd was reorganized. The law clarified the major roles of education leaders at different levels: national, region, division, and school.
One of the most important of features of the law is the empowerment of the school head of principals. They are now recognized as instructional leader and administrative manager, and meaning they are responsible for improving teaching and learning, managing school and resources, are ensuring to safe and well-being of learners. This is give to school a more flexibility to respond to the unique needs of their student and community.
RA 9155 also highlights the importance of teachers, recognizing them as key partners in shaping learners academically and holistically. The law also encourages involvement from the community, parents, and local government units. Through collaboration, schools can create more effective programs that match the student learner's needs.
So, how does RA 9155 affect students? Because of this law, school can respond faster to students' needs. Learning programs can be adjusted to fit local context. There is more focus on improving the quality of education and ensuring access for everyone. Lastly, R9155 gives students a learning environment that values growth, relevance, and support.
Education is not only about books and classrooms, it is about empowering every Filipino learner to reach their full potential. With Republic 9155, the governance in education becomes more responsive, participatory, and student-centered. Because when schools, leaders, teachers, families, and communities work together, we build a stronger future for the next generation. This is Republic Act 9155, empowering schools, strengthening education, and shaping futures.